Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Smoke Alarm Collector 1000 video. Before we get started, let me just
Speech off.
there we go. Alright. Before we get started here, let me just give myself a little
By the way, I'm hunting for gaming, and I will be joining in the fun.
Yep, there we go. I just give myself a little pump there. Alright. So there you have it, guys. This is a rough comparison between the First Alert PC900v smoke and carbon monoxide alarm and the PC12v 10-year carbon monoxide smoke alarm. Now, don't quote me on this. I don't know if it's PC12v, but that's PC something 12v. That's what I've heard, but I'm not quite sure. So don't quote me on that because I don't know for sure. But let's first take a look at the PC900v. Now, the PC900v is actually, it's square. It's a square smoke alarm. It's smoking carbon monoxide. It's kind of weird, actually, because most smoking carbon monoxide alarms are not square.
Yeah, comment down below what you guys think about that. Do you think it's cool, or just comment down below what you think about that?
Yeah, I think it's really neat because, and also the fact that the speaker on the bottom, it literally looks like a, it literally has like that radio design to it almost. It looks like a speaker that you'd see like on a toy, like a boombox.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah, yeah, dude. Like, see how rare this thing is?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's already taken a little tumble once, but not very bad, so it's fine. But yeah, there's some writing right there below the test button. So yeah, since this one came first, we'll test the PC900v first. Now you're gonna notice a pop before the horn, so that'll give you kind of give you guys a cue before the horn starts. Now, if I were you, I would turn down your volumes before all these sound because it is going to be quite loud. So especially when you guys are wearing headphones, like, you got to do it. Otherwise you will, yeah. Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm wearing ear protection, so it's not me that bad. But yeah, for you that aren't, please put headphones on. So I'm gonna put mine on. Alright, and I want to say, most PC920Vs are like the same pitch as an SA511, which is normal pitch, but this thing is actually quite lower pitch than that. So let's go ahead and give this thing a test.
Testing. It even goes testing.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
It's kind of funny too, because it literally goes testing.
I know, and as you could probably even tell, even the voice is a little bit Now when you hear the PC12v, I'm just gonna call it the 10-year talking smoking carbon monoxide because I don't want to keep getting the model wrong. But yeah, when you hear the 10-year version, you're gonna notice that it doesn't pop like that, and also the voice is the voice and horn are slightly higher pitched. So let's go ahead and test that one. It's the same way, just press and hold. Oh yeah, and should I mention the 10-year one is it's rounded with a little square speaker, and it has a switch on the bottom where you can turn it on and off. But all right, let's go ahead and test this thing.
Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Now as you can tell, that one's pretty. I mean, that one is pretty cool. It doesn't have that cool pop though. Like that I think is so cool.
And also, I think the word highest is cut out too. The first highest.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do everyone's favorite and test them both at the same time. I'm gonna kind of hold the 10-year one because this one takes a bit longer to test, and then I'll hold the other one a few seconds after. So.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate.
Oh.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
0.
Did you hear what it was like? ppm.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, what should we do next for fun? Oh, should we try putting low batteries into this thing?
Oh yeah. That's
See what
right.
it does?
Yes. So he has what's going on is has a low smoke detector with some low batteries in it. He's gonna put some batteries in it into the PC900v.
Well, that's if I can get the batteries out, because they're very hard to get in. Take the door off.
Are there low batteries in there?
Now I'm trying to get these out.
First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm.
Cannot get these out.
Bedroom. Location. Programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
The test unit.
Okay, it shouldn't be this hard.
Okay. Beep. Okay, it shouldn't be this hard. Beep.
I cannot get them out. I'm gonna have to use something.
Otherwise, like, don't tap or don't hit it too hard on the table, but like, kind of just hit it a little bit. Maybe the battery will kind of. Sometimes that's what happens with some things. If you like, kind of just lightly tap it on the table, maybe the battery will kind of move so you can pull it out.
Geez, okay, I'll try it, but I hate to do that.
I like it. Still not even moving.
I can't like get my finger underneath it. Yeah, I love how this one's rare, but God, you can't even move them.
I know.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom. Location. Programmed. To change
Alright, they're not moving at all.
Yeah, I might not be able to do this test. Unless you get something, but...
Whoa, is that rain? Yeah, that's rain again.
Right.
Holy crap.
Dude, oh my goodness, dude. Alright, anyways.
Well, when I got this, I thought this was going to be like really easy.
Yeah, that's not going to be easy to replace batteries, that's for sure. That's actually not good.
They don't even make it easy for like blind people to do it.
Yeah, and then you have to get a knife, which is probably not a good thing to use. Try to pull it out that way.
I can't get it.
Testing.
Oh no.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Okay. Highest carbon
So much for that. Yeah, that was something I was really looking forward to as well.
Yeah. Because, dude, that would have been cool to be able to hear the chirp on video, too. God damn.
But it's like there's like no button you can push. There should be a button you can push to get it out.
I know, dude. It's like way in there. Isn't it?
Well, first, I hate to say it, but you kind of did a crappy job with that battery drawer. Cause, dude, it's not even blind friendly at all.
No. Like, you have to literally, like, slam to get a battery out.
This is a button you have to push. I don't know.
Which is not good for you. There usually isn't. While we're waiting, just a friendly reminder to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you don't miss any more any of his videos.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, they didn't make this very blind friendly at all.
Not one of Like, dude, you have to replace the battery after a certain amount of time, but they made replacing the batteries so hard you can't even get them out.
I don't want to slap it like this. It's not good for it.
Like, dude, you're really having to struggle with it.
Yeah, I can't even get it out. Like, that's not good, actually.
No. Because, dude, what if you actually do have to replace the battery sometime? That's not going to be easy. Yeah, first alert, you should have made it the way the one links are, where it has a battery drawer and then you can pull that out. Not like this, where it's like you can't even pull it.
Yeah, I can't even get it. I can't get it.
No. Alright, then just put it back and put the cover back on then.
You have to get like a fork or something, which probably won't even work, because they're so far down in there, that probably won't even work either.
Yeah, that's not a good.
Dude, I've even seen people taking the batteries out on YouTube. How did they do it?
I have no idea. And that's what you have to do. Try it from the other side of the battery.
Yeah, I did both sides.
Yeah, it didn't even work. Oh, yawn, airplane out my window.
But before I go, I'll go ahead and do this one more time. Should I test them one at a time and then both, or just both?
Just do both again. So let's see if you can get it to go do them both at the same time. Like, have them go beep 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 beep.
I'll try. I'm gonna have to hold the 10-year one and then hold that one right after I hold the 10-year one. Because the 10-year one takes a little bit longer. Let's do it.
Testing.
Oh, that.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate.
I love that.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level 0 ppm.
Oh, and actually, I thought of another good one. I thought of another good one for my bonus video, dude. For bonus my video.
What?
Just so we can really get a good comparison going. We'll even add these.
Oh, yeah.
Testing. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. 0 ppm. level was 0 ppm.
Oh my god. That was good. That was awesome.
That was loud.
Dude, that was awesome though.
I know. Oh, and heck, why not, just for the fun of it? Why don't we give my other, here's my other 10-year one. Why don't we give my other 10-year one a test here? Alright.
Alrighty. This is so cool.
Now really, before we end, dude.
Okay, now really, before we end, dude. Alright. What shall we do?
Now, the best way I can describe it to everyone is that it kind of looks like, it almost looks like a phone, not like a phone, but like a, because it's square and it has a speaker on it, but it like the phone right here, it kind of looks like a little touchpad, but you can't really touch it. There's just a test button on. Oh, here comes the rain again. But yeah, dude, like, my carbon monoxide only alarm is really rare too, but yeah, I don't know which one's rarer.
I don't know, really. I don't know. They're probably both rare in the same way.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I know this thing is because, dude, this, like, they don't even make the battery operated smoke alarms anymore with a female voice.
No, they don't.
The only ones they do make nowadays are these. Right here, the 10-year ones with the female voice.
And I'm sure they still make those bridge units.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, speaking of which, and by the way, you can change the location on the 10-year one. You just have to, like, if your activation switch is gone, like if it fell down inside like mine did, you can press the test button 5 times just to bring you back into that little menu, like that little welcome dialogue where you can choose your location.
It pretty much just like resets the system and then brings you back into the main location.
Yeah, here, why don't I demonstrate? So, you want to do it fast. You don't want to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it won't work. You have to go like, you have to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm.
That's how it works.
Master bedroom. Location. Programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Yep, that's really all there is to it. Maybe sometime I will have a video of this thing. Maybe sometime I will have a video of this thing low battery chirping, but
maybe do a little YouTube short of it. But man, it's hard to get that battery thing working. Jeez.
Yeah, like they made it like, dude, like I will say, I love the design. You know, I don't get me wrong, I love the design. Like, I love everything about this alarm. I love the design. I love the way it looks.
Just that battery pack is not made. That's the only thing that's not made very good.
Yeah, like the battery part. Like where you put them, yeah, it's not. Like it's hard to like pull them out if you have to replace them. Now in my Signal 1 safety vocal smoke alarm, it's not that hard, which, speaking of that thing, I haven't even done a review of that thing either.
Yeah, we'll have to do a review of that maybe sometime. And then in that video we can record some funny stuff.
Yeah. Oh, but dude, just wait till I show my friend this.
I know.
My friend, you know who I'm not gonna speak his name.
Yeah, we're not gonna leak his name because it's personal info.
Hey, I got the mounting plate on.
Heck, I don't even know his name.
Really? I thought I told you before.
Oh, did you? I don't know.
Oh, I got the there. At least I got the mounting plate now to stay on.
That's good.
Oh no, I did not. It was on.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, is it not going on now?
Like when I got it, it was like snapped right onto it, like just clicked right onto it, and I had to like pull it off.
Not even. That's not good.
Whoa, dude.
Okay, that's not good. Beep.
No, did you hear it? They were like beep beep.
Yeah.
It's on somewhat, so I'll just put it down on top of it to hold it. There, that's the best I can do. Alright. So, dude, out of these two, this rare one, the PC900v, whoa, more thunder, or this female 10-year one, which one? I mean, they both have the female voice, but which one do you think you like the best?
The PC900v because it has that cool pop sound to it.
Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, like I really like that cue. Like I really like that cue because that's just like a little cue that tells you that it's gonna test. Like I really like that little cue.
Yes.
Because most of them don't have that cue to tell you they're gonna test. Like most of them just test, but this one actually has a little cue that that's like, okay, I'm gonna test, so please be ready.
Yeah, I actually like that a lot.
Oh, and just to show everyone, this one can be quieted under my leg. I'm gonna first test it. I'll let you hear the pop when it says testing.
Testing.
See, this can be quieted under my leg. Thank God it can, because I really like when you can do that.
You're
What? I'll let you hear this part out.
Highest carbon
Whoa.
monoxide level was 0 ppm.
That was a big pop right there. Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, when highest.
I love that, actually. And the test button's really...
Highest.
The test button's kind of clicky, like, listen to this.
Testing.
Oh, God. Well, that's okay to hear it again. This alarm is really rare anyways.
Warning. Evacuation.
And it's actually really low, too. I think it's even lower. Dude, I think it's even slightly lower than your talking smoke alarm.
Here, you know what? I got one of those right here, so let's compare.
Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
You know what, dude? I got one of those right here, so let's compare. Of course, I'm going to unlink it from the other ones first, because I do not want them. I do not want them all going off again at the same time. Oh, that's not a button.
Right. I love that.
Oh, that is higher pitch. Here, we'll compare. I'll do one test of this one. I'll do one test of this one. Crap, I did not want to do that. Master bedroom. He sounds angry.
I know.
Now watch this, guys. Now watch this, guys. This one does not pop when it says testing, so you don't have that cue. Like here, watch it. Like here, check this out. See, it just says it. It just says it. Like there's no pop at all, so you don't know when it's gonna do it. But if you wait probably at least like 30 seconds, like maybe like 20-30 seconds, the horns. Okay, it's about to sound. Yeah, see, that is higher pitch. Not by much. Not by much. Yeah, not by much,
Alright.
is it?
Yeah, try your other one now. The new one, the PC900v.
All right, before I do though, let me just. No, I did not tell you to do that. There we go. Now, before I do that, let me just reconnect these. There we go.
First alert smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright.
I got them connected again. Now here's the PC900v. Alright, show us what you got.
Testing.
I held it like out from my leg just so I could hear that pop.
Warning. Evacuate.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay, now it sounds the same. Okay, now it sounds the same.
Warning.
What?
Evacuate.
Dude, now it sounds the same.
Master bedroom. Evacuate.
The heck?
Highest carbon monoxide level.
Dude, I think it's just about the same as the smoke alarm.
Actually, you know what? I think it might be just a tad bit lower. Not much, just a tad.
Yeah.
Like, not much. I mean, like, not much lower at all. Like, just a tad bit lower, you know what I mean? Like, just a... Like, not even much at all. Like, just a hair bit lower. Oh, dude.
What?
Let's recompare those pitches. You know why?
Why?
He just went back in. So now we can really compare those pictures. I don't have to put them under my leg, so we can really compare them.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's really compare these pitches. All right, so let's do the smoke only first. Of course, I'm gonna unlink it again.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
All right, now shell.
Testing.
Dude, in comparison, look how long that takes.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Warning. Evacuate smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate.
Alright. Now let's compare it to this.
Testing.
Oh, it's just a tad bit lower.
Warning.
Dude, that's just a
Evacuate.
tad bit
Smoke
lower,
in
dude.
master bedroom. Evacuate.
Yep.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide
Here
in
comes my favorite
master
part.
bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
I love that.
Highest carbon.
Yeah, it's like highest carbon. It almost sounds like with that pop, it almost sounds like pious.
Biased.
Alright, let me just reconnect these. Because I did have it disconnected for the purpose. Let's reconnect.
That was actually a really, really good test.
Dude, the PC900v is just a little, like, dude, it's not even much at all. It's just a tad bit lower than the,
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm.
that one.
Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Watertown Wednesday, Austin.
What?
I have to go to Watertown Wednesday and see my lung doctor. They called today, wanted me to come in tomorrow, but I told them I couldn't because I think you.
Oh, yeah.
I got to go Wednesday. I had a CT scan. I guess I want to go over my CT scan with me.
Right?
I don't know what that means. Oh, well.
Well, that just means they want to follow up with you on it.
Oh, okay, good.
Dude, that PC900v, dude, that thing is just a tad bit lower than the smoke only. Not even much.
Oh,
Like, not even much at all.
I know.
Stay on there, mounting plate. When I got this thing, the mounting plate was like clipped right on.
Now it doesn't want to go on. That's not good.
It's like on, but it's like not clipped. What is it? Supposed to go over this? Maybe? It almost looks like it clicked into place.
Austin, you got any burritos? How many tacos left?
I got a few burritos left.
Now what you're going to eat for dinner, or you want to go to town and get something?
I kind of like some more of that meatloaf.
You would?
That was really good. Yeah, I kind of like some more of that.
Well, I can go to town and get some.
Okay, cause I really like that. I want some more of that.
Want the mashed potatoes too?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I know you probably don't want to cook all that tonight, but that was That was, yeah, it was really good yesterday. I'd have that again.
I'm going to tell Grandpa. I'm going to go tell him.
Okay. So, dude, did you say we stop the video here?
Yep. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna end it.